guys! Alright, so today is a home interior shopping day. I managed to clean out the office, but I'm meeting up with Medina, Grillo Designs on Instagram. You have to check her out. She's absolutely incredibly good. She has a home interior page and she's so unique and creative, and she does loads of DIYs, and she does a How We Rent series where she interviews a whole bunch of people from all over England that rent their houses and that have transformed it in such a beautiful way, but they can still give it back into the condition that they got it. She is a good friend of mine. She's super lovely, down to earth. I just vibe with her so well, and she's coming over and we're gonna go over to HomeSense and we're going to be finishing up the living room, the backdrop. We have the sofa in, we got a couple days ago. So I got my sofa here and it's going right over there. So excited. Ooh, so excited! We've been waiting for this for a long time. And we have a sofa! This is a huge monumental moment in moving into this house. Yay! John is like, I don't know it, I don't like it. Yeah, so I think I definitely bought a size too big.
I like it.
She has a big smile on her face.
Yes.
So we can essentially go get the little bits, the soft furnishing, and completely transform the room. And she also gave me a really good tip, do one room at a time. So there's that. Then we're gonna be doing the downstairs cloakroom. I'm so freaking excited to show you what that looks like. It looks incredible. So right now we're gonna go to TK Maxx and see what they have, really, because sometimes on their sale section they have some really unique pieces for super affordable. Can't wait to meet her.
Oh, so much shorter than you.
No, actually it's just the angle of this.
We're in HomeSense.
We're in HomeSense right now.
And it's a big HomeSense.
This is Medina, my new virtual bestie and in real life bestie, because I met her and we just vibe so well.
Yes.
She's so down to earth. I told you about her Instagram. You guys have to check it out. And she's gonna help me decorate my home.
I'm not a vlogger, that's why I'm so awkward on camera.
Well, you do a really good job with home
I'm
decor.
just like staring. But
She's super creative, and honestly, I'm just like so in love with her. So when she agreed to work with me in decorating the guest room, I was just like, I feel so honored.
Oh, thank you.
So thank you for doing
You
this.
sound so cool.
No, you are. She's actually one of the coolest people on Instagram.
So we're gonna be getting cushions. Or looking cushion window shopping or whatever.
Yeah. Yeah.
Rugs, and we said baskets for the wall.
Yeah,
If
baskets.
you see any nice ones.
Yeah, any little decor that we think is cute.
Because
Goes with
all
our
about the
vibe.
accessories.
Also because we have our sofa now, so we know exactly what we can work with, what will
Yeah.
look good in the room.
Yeah.
It's so exciting. We love TK Maxx. We're here all the time. Amr took a wrong detour and took us to a really far one, and we were so upset. And then I walked in and I was like, you know what?
Yeah.
It's kind of
40
cute.
minutes away. Yeah.
40 minutes. Usually 10 minutes away from my house. We're going to a wrong one in a different country. But we're here now. This looks so juicy. Like, I just want everything. Soft furnishing, I need your help because I'm so bad at soft furnishing. Yeah, I think it's the hardest part. Is it just me?
It is a hard part, but I feel like it's the most easiest thing that you can do to like inject color and like your style into a space.
I need your help.
So once you get that right,
Good, right?
Yeah.
Okay, cool.
coconut latte, what would you like? Do a latte. Oh, like the
Festive latte.
A festive one, yeah?
Yeah.
Today.
Hi, Boobaloo! Oh my god, this place is actually really good.
nice.
But I have to hold it in so he doesn't get big-headed for, you know, taking me here. He will. I like neutrals, but I like a pop of like browns.
See what I mean about texture? Like you're adding in different.
love texture.
Like the pattern and then how it feels.
Oh, this feels so good. But this will clash with gray, right?
Yeah, it won't clash with it, but it just would be not as exciting as something else.
I want to do whatever you think is nice because you are my
I
inspiration.
like this one. It's more modern-y. I feel like that one's a bit
Okay, let's go with
too
that one.
old for you.
Yeah, you're right. I'm young.
Okay, that's a possibility.
Okay. I love that.
Yeah, that's a possibility. It's very nice.
This whole section is you, except for that mustard on the top.
Yeah.
That weird tiger print is not you. Ooh, I really like that one.
all your colours in there.
I feel like you're my good luck charm.
It's really nice too. What do you think of
I
that?
love that one.
Do you like it really? Like,
Yeah.
I think that is.
Let's take it out. That is so pretty.
That is so. I'm gonna visualize your sofa again. It's like silvery.
Yeah. So let's put this next to. It's like this gray.
That works. Look.
Yeah, that works, right?
Right. The only thing is that this doesn't go with this so much.
You know what this would go with?
What?
The wall decor, the big circle plates, the Ethiopian looking ones.
Yeah, that will go more than this. Yeah.
Skin looks like a hot mess. Now this scares me. I don't know.
What I need is like you need a blue.
Like a dark blue?
Yeah. So many baskets. I thought you have already, right? That one.
No, but it's a different print. But it still looks good.
It's nice. And they have blue ones.
We can have like a bold one. I really like that one.
Do you like this one? Oops.
I saw that happen. I think we did pretty well.
Yeah.
Maybe just a couple more cushions from
I think
somewhere else,
so.
but
Like a solid colour we need, don't we?
yeah, like a navy, really dark grayish.
Yeah.
I see it happening.
Me
I'm
too.
so happy I found these.
They're very
Three is
pretty.
good, yeah?
I just hope they go with the sofa, but I think they will. Once the wall is in place as well.
Yeah, sure. Maybe they'll go nicely with the baskets that we have at home.
Yeah.
Perfect. Don't you love how enthusiastic he is here? He's like, I love this place. What else do you want to show us? He showed us this sofa, which is actually remarkably very comfortable. You would never think. Just the color is just not. Yeah, you kind of do look like him, minus the ribcage. Amir, you
If I didn't get my bed trim.
definitely.
Yeah.
Ooh, what's that? Bento box?
So nice.
I love bento boxes. Today is family portrait day and I'm doing my makeup in the car because I just want to save time. I'm meeting up with Halima and we're gonna be doing a family portrait. Now Halima is actually the one that did my pregnancy photo shoot, my pregnancy announcements and maternity photo shoot. So I'll put some pictures up over here, but it was absolutely amazing, such a good experience. And who better to do our family portrait with the new addition in our family, who is Adam. So we're super excited, and Sammy's also going to be in some of them as well and helping me in the background with Adam because he's super great with him. But I'm just doing my makeup, and this is like the phase before the skin looks absolutely flawless. I'm wearing the Shiseido foundation. This foundation is amazing. I did a video on it. So flawless on the skin. I'm wearing the Shiseido concealer. No, this is not sponsored. And I'm wearing the Lancome Ultra Stick in Praline, and it's the one I like to warm my face up with. So I'm going to create a flawless base, do my brows and my eyes while I'm there, but I'm going to keep it quite natural looking, neutral colors, but still a full face. I realize that when I do photo shoots, my skin holds a lot more makeup than the average person. So if I were to do a photo shoot, makeup for the model, always stick to very natural base. But unfortunately for me, natural bases just don't work on camera, and my face can hold a lot of makeup. Every professional photo shoot, every magazine photo shoot I've done where I've worked with amazing, incredible makeup artists, they're just, every one of them say, wow, your skin can hold makeup, and it prefers a lot of foundation base, which is crazy. And I'm like, yeah, I know, it's just so strange. I put on a little bit of foundation, a tinted moisturizer, it's good for every day, but as soon as I get into the studio, on me, it just looks like I'm not wearing any makeup, and then it just looks like it's just melted off. Whereas if I were to do it on another person, it looks absolutely flawless. You always want to keep it quite neutral when it comes to complexion products. Long story short, this is what I'm doing. I'm just gonna allow the concealer to dry just a little bit, and then I'm gonna blend it, bake, bronze, do the blush, and then I'll be ready for my base, for my eyes and my brows, my lips when I get there. But today's so exciting. Sammy's here. He has an all black outfit. He's gonna be in the all black outfit picture.
Yo, yo, yo. What's happening?
Amir and baby Adam. Adam has a little suit. It's so cute. Ah! I can't wait to show you guys. But yeah, I need to blend this before it gets stuck.
Baby
Adam. Hey. Hi.
Hiya, Daddy. Hiya, Purple. Hiya, Purple.
Hi, my little dolphin. Swimming in a little ocean of purple.
Adam. Yo, hi.
Good morning.
Yeah, that's what we call it.
Like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle, little star. Yeah.
Yay!
Oh, you made it.
Oh, mommy made some food. Mommy,
Very
chef,
nice,
mommy.
nice.
Don't mind the mess in the back, but how delicious does this look? So what's
That
this
call
called?
is mash bhuni dal.
Mash buni dal. This one is
korma.
chicken korma.
That one.
Oh, on there.
This one. Look, this one is nice chicken korma.
Okay, so what are we gonna do?
We have to eat now.
And
Ready to eat.
we're going to do a
sell it.
cooking
And we have to make some celebration.
celebration.
New Year celebration.
So we have New Year's Eve dinner. This is what my mother-in-law's made. It's marinated chicken and marinated lamb chops. So this is the before. And this is sag,
Spinach and meat.
spinach and lamb spinach.
There is a lamb
Is this finished?
Already finished done.
Oh, very nice.
And this one.
Some potato, some lamb for some palau. Ooh, Chef Rahana! Bale bale!
Shawa shawa.
This looks so good, Mom.
Smell is good.
Smells even better. Apple crumble by yours truly. Now it's not cooked yet. I garnished it with a little cinnamon. This is the aftermath mess, but I mean, it's worth it. It's apple crumble.
Have enough.
Yeah,
Oh my god, why is inside?
that's okay. It's not on.
On there.
Huh? So this is a Minal's. This is a Minal what? First New Year party.
First New Year party.
First New Year party, Minal. Hello, Sasha. Hello, Bella. Thank you for helping, Minal. Thank you. Very nice. You make a very nice.
Great host. you bloody eyeshadow like this?
Wow. Manal, who make this one?
Bella and Sasha.
Bella and Sasha. And Manal make
Apple crumble.
apple crumble. And Manal make this one. Mango lassi very
Let
tasty.
them do this thing.
This is the roast chicken. Tandoori roast chicken. This is the spinach and lamb. That is the lamb chops. That is the lamb plow.
Oh, lamb.
Oh, Manal make apple crumble pie.
Yes, and mango lassi.
Have fun. Enjoy your food. Yeah, bye bye. Bye bye.